Koome dwaro mondo Komishonas manyien ne migao marango weche lowo tim tijgi makare kendo kawo ting' matayo migao no yo mowinjore maonge mibadhi kod dewo wang'. Nolose boma ma Nairobi nyasi machamo muma mar Komishonas go kama oyango ni weche mag lowo gin weche madwaro mondo mi orang matut kendo ratiro winjo bedie kaka tayo chenro e migao no mar neno ni Jo-Kenya oyudo ratichgi.
So, as you assume this venerable office, you do so within an institution that occupies a central place in Kenya's constitutional architecture as a key steward of land governance. You've been told land is emotive, land is heritage, and land is identity. Therefore, you sit on that important place to govern and determine the land rights in Kenya.
As we take the oath of office, we are fully aware of the expectations that Kenyans have of the National Land Commission. Land remains one of the most significant and sensitive resources in our country. It touches on livelihoods, development, investment, environment, sustainability, and social justice. The responsibility entrusted to us is therefore both profound and